if I'm not wrong, you faced this problem of missing your clips in Premiere Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, and that's why you're here, I think. So maybe you can see the problem is here, missing media for these clips. The media of these clips are missing, and that's why we cannot see the media. Even I have faced this problem, and that's why we found a solution of this problem, and we'll solve this problem together. So to solve this problem, watch the video first to last and don't skip any seconds, okay? And you will see the files are looking like this, and it's not showing any media. And here you can see all are question marked. So we should locate the files. From here. So let's get into the main part. Hey guys, this is Bashar and you are watching Map Graphics. Today we'll solve the problem of missing clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. Before starting, please smash the subscribe button if you are new to the channel and hit the bell icon to get any solution of your any software problem. And I'll check if the file is found or not, the videos, the clips are found or not. And it cannot be found if I don't import my videos, my clips to the other computer. I just took the Adobe blog file, Premiere Pro file. I did not transfer the clips of this video of this file. So let's see what happened. And here you can see that I'm copying the vlog shorts, and these are the clips, okay? So that's why I'm copying it, and I'll insert these clips to my another computer. So now we will close this file, and we'll reopen it later after copying the clips. So where is the clips? We'll copy these clips from the pen drive. Copy. There is the clip missing file, and paste it here. So it will take a while, and we'll skip this part. And you can see here are the clips. This was a very big vlog, lengthy vlog, and we'll reopen the Premiere profile, and it will take a while, and I will skip this part. So it's opening, and you can see locating media. When we opened this file in the beginning, it did not show like this pop-up menu locating media. So it's locating the media, and it will locate the media automatically. We need not find the media, and till now it's showing the pop-up menu. So don't worry, just wait a second and click cancel, and you can find the clips here now. Boom, the media is here, and still some medias are missing because we didn't transfer those medias or those clips from that computer. And if we transfer that files also, we can recover these clips or media. So if you follow this process, you can solve your problem. And if you cannot solve your problem, maybe your computer or your software has any other problem, not this problem. and you can try any other process. And I think, and I believe, I guarantee that 95% of you can solve this problem by this process. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get any solution of your software problems, and share this video to your friends. If your problem is solved, then inform me commenting on this video. Thank you so much. Take care.